I'm coming at you today with a clean, naked face. I'm going to try Hanacure, the all-in-one facial. Well, hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, we cover skincare and makeup and fashion and travel, anything that makes you more fabulous at any age. Well, I've been hearing a lot about this, Hanacure, the all-in-one facial. This is a Korean skincare product. It's gluten-free and vegan, not tested on animals. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. There's 4 treatments in here. This is the official solution. This is the Octalift. And you also get this emulsion and neutralizing cleanser. And you get this little brush to apply it with. Okay, so let's start with the instructions. Now this cleanser, it doesn't really talk about this in the directions, but according to this, you use it daily and you use it before the Hanacure all-in-one facial. All right, in the directions, step 1, align thumb with downward arrow on cap of Octalift ampoule. It says push upward, but beware of sharp edges, okay? All right, I'm aligning the thumb and pushing up. Okay, and I see where it says beware of the sharp edges. Okay. Next, step 2, it says beware of sharp aluminum edge, unravel outer seal to reveal rubber cap. Yeah, this is definitely in here secure. Okay, I got it off. Now it says remove the rubber cap. And then it says do not open all the way yet. Peel corner foil of Octalift solution back to dotted line and pour all contents of ampoule into the solution. So here's the solution. Let's peel this back and pour the contents of this into the solution. Okay. All right, I got it mixed in here. Reseal by firmly holding corner edge of Octalift and shake for 20 seconds. Okay. Anyway, meanwhile, I'm going to take this cleanser and put that on my face. So then next step. So next is open the solution completely and you use the brush to apply to your face. Okay, I've got it on the brush. Apply it evenly to face, neck, and back of hands. Okay. May use sparingly under eyes, but avoid contact with eyes, lips, and lids. All right? Let's do neck. Back of hands, where this is basically you use up the entire container. All right, really want to get my neck good. And definitely the forehead. I've pretty much used everything up. So after this, it just says, leave on for 20 minutes until gel dries completely and minimize facial movements to maximize effects. May fan face to increase intensity. Rinse face, neck, hands, and brush thoroughly with warm water and dry brush for reuse. Okay, so it's just waiting for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and my skin is feeling really tight right now. All right, 20 minutes have passed. I feel like I have like a sheet of tape on my face. It is so tight. I'm gonna go off camera and wash my face, and I'll be right back and just give you my opinions. Okay, now I washed my face and my neck and my hands. I do notice a little bit of sort of a slight redness, which is something that the website said was a possibility. It is supposed to be good for sensitive skin, so it should fade. Now I'm trying this nano emulsion, and with this it just says use daily, smooth over skin in circular motion until emulsion is completely absorbed. Okay, all right, it's a white cream, and let's just after removing it all, my face feels really refreshed. It's looking to see if I notice any visible changes in the texture other than the slight redness. Not really, maybe a little bit of plumping in some areas. So it's now about 7 o'clock at night. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow morning, just put a moisturizer on at bedtime, and I'll touch back in the morning and see how it looks then. Okay, it's been about 13 hours since I first put this on, this Hanacure all-in-one facial. I did it last night. Let my face rest, put a little moisturizer on. I don't really notice any difference this morning. The redness that it initially had when I removed the mask is gone. But the firmness, I just don't really see anything to be worth the $110. I'm gonna go on and put on my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, makeup done. Looking at the ingredients on this thing, sodium silicate is one of the top ingredients in this ampoule. Sodium silicate, that's the temporary tightening agent that is in Instatox, in Beverly Hills Instant Tuck. It's not a nutrient. It's something that temporarily tightens the skin. It's basically liquid glass. Other ingredients include green tea, caffeine, several types of plants and peptides. So it has some good nutrient things in it, but I don't really think it's worth the cost. $110 for 4 applications. Meanwhile, I have a similar face tightening mask that comes in a big tube with about 20 applications that I got at TJ Maxx for $5.99. So overall, is it a pretty decent mask? Yeah. Is it a life-changing miracle? No. Do I really recommend spending this much money on it? I can't say that I do. So to me, it's not a complete fail, but it's not a complete thumbs up either. So, well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.